And they do this where they come on quite a steep glide path here to land, and that's to avoid any small arms fire or small threats that would be sitting off the end of the runway just waiting for them.
So folks, the pilot and the co-pilot coordinating now, the engineer obviously watching the engine instruments as they bring this large 80-tonne aircraft in for a landing. Now, once they get on the ground, you'll see the short field performance of this aircraft, quite remarkable. It can land in unimproved strips around 12 to 1800 feet. You'll see it come to a stop. The ramp will go down, the loadmaster will coordinate the aircraft reversing up, the ramp will close, they'll set power, and we'll see the takeoff.
The loadmaster plays a very important part in this too, Gary, as you remember. He's the eyes and the ears at the back of the aeroplane because the pilots can't see what's behind them. So he'll be calling them back at the same time while they're coordinating checklists, timing, undoing any cargo or passengers, get them off the aeroplane in any combat environment. There's a lot going on in the flight deck and the aeroplane at this time.
So, for those of you in the northern public gallery, may not be able to see too much at the moment, the Kiwi Hercules is in front of the Gold Pass grandstand area at the moment, moving up a little closer towards the public gallery to the south, and we'll await the next movement by this C-130 Hercules. So for those in the north, it's stationary at the moment, but its next manoeuvre is coming up.
Looks like it's reversing up at the moment, so we'll do that to reverse back right to the edge of the airstrip. So again, on a really short airstrip, it's now had the maximum length available for its takeoff. Again, a really crude, coordinated activity.
So apart from, I assume, the reversal of the prop, what other aid is there for it to reverse? Nothing.
Not really, no, it's just really the eyes of the loadmaster out the back and the coordination between the crew.
Yeah, no reversing sensors, no camera.
Not like your car, no, none of that.
Interestingly, it's a really critical time for the engine as well, in the heat and the temperatures when the aircraft's into reverse, and it really is very critical in terms of temperature control on the engines. And a number of times when you'd be doing it, you feel a tap on the shoulder from the engineer just to alert you to the fact that this was critical for the engines. No more power, thanks. Just let it come back as it was. So they'll be setting power. Here it comes. Takeoff checks being run. Let's watch it take off.
Let's watch carefully, folks. Here we go.
To do a low pass. These aeroplanes are from number 40 Squadron in New Zealand. They live at RNZAF base in Auckland, and there's 5 of these in the New Zealand inventory. Here comes this first pass. It's actually got its landing gear down and it flaps out to be a fairly slow pass with the cargo door open. The loadmaster down the back, and there'll be a navigator on board checking timing for any simulated airdrop or insertion they're about to perform.